So talk to me a little bit about that. How would this affect your case? So now, okay, so we have a loss of companionship. When does this become a part of the process? Is this something that happens early on?
Well, a lot of times it comes in not immediately after the accident, but when the case is in litigation. So when I take the case over, and oftentimes well after that, because you, first of all, people aren't necessarily aware of this claim, this cause of action that they have. It's just not something that comes up. But more often, it is something that the client is aware of, possibly, but it has just taken a little bit of time to really experience that adverse impact to their relationship, to their daily lives, to how they interact with one another, to their feelings of companionship and happiness, etc. It takes a little bit of time from whenever the injury occurs to really realize a year later, it's like, wow, we
lost out on all this.
Yeah. It's because you're just,
it takes you that time to realize what you didn't get. Yeah.
You're so concerned with doctor's appointments, feeling better, trying to keep the bills paid, take the kids to school, that oftentimes it takes quite a bit of time to digest, wow, there's been a change in the injured spouse's personality, that it hasn't really gotten better. The depression was there, the caving in, shutting other people out. It's just what people do after traumatic injuries. It's just naturally how humans react. And when that doesn't go away and it's lingering, and there's just that difference in the personality and just that difference in the relationship that is becoming clearly permanent, God forbid, or something that can be fixed with, mental health treatment, psychiatry, etc. But it just takes time to really for that to take shape, if that makes sense. So that's it. It's not always immediately apparent. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it's clear that, for example, with immediately apparent permanent disability, it's predictable that, for example, maybe the injured spouse won't be able to be intimate.
Obviously a big problem.
Yes, and also won't be able to help around the house, won't be able to take part in activities that
objects of attraction that
both
might have agreed upon, like you do this and I do that. It's usually a balance.
but it just, and
could throw that balance off.
But outside of those scenarios, sometimes it takes some time to realize that there are lasting effects to the relationship.